of the media, ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the official launch of DreamShop and PolicyStreet Car Insurance Made Easy. My name is Woon Fei. I'm your MC for today. Now, Malaysia places third for car ownership in Southeast Asian markets, and purchase intent is the highest in Malaysia. And based on the Nielsen Global Survey of Automotive Demand 2014, the country also has the highest incidence of multiple car ownership globally, with 54% of households having more than one car. Having said that, car insurance is a must for every motorist, and it has to be renewed annually. With the intention of enabling fellow Malaysian families to renew or purchase car insurance quickly, securely, affordably, and conveniently at the first in-market 0% installment payment plan, insurance tech startup PolicyStreet.com collaborates with DreamShop.com.my, an e-commerce platform to launch car insurance made easy to keep Malaysian motorists protected. Now, without further ado, please join me to welcome Yan Ming Lee, CEO of PolicyStreet, to say a few words. Let's put our hands together for Yan Ming Lee.
Thank you, Woon Fei. Good morning to Rosalie, esteemed partners, members of the media, the DreamShop team, PolicyStreet team, friends and guests. My name is Yan Ming, and I'm the co-founder and CEO of PolicyStreet.com. We are a leading insurance technology company in Southeast Asia. In Malaysia, we are a financial advisor and Islamic financial advisor approved under the Financial Services Act 2013 by Bank Negara Malaysia. Today, we work directly with over 40 insurance and takaful providers in Malaysia. Thank you again for having me here. I'm so delighted to be making dreams come true for DreamShop and PolicyStreet. It was a very easy decision for us to partner with DreamShop, a leading e-commerce platform who has a strong presence with over 1 billion products on their platform and with solid relationship with major banks in Malaysia. At PolicyStreet.com, we believe in enabling the insurance ecosystem by allowing partners like DreamShop to be able to equip their customers with the right insurance protection. Our mission is to make insurance simple, easy, and affordable to consumers out there by giving them the best option from vast choices that we offer so that they can make informed decisions. Ladies and gentlemen, insurance is still a very traditional sector, with over 60 billion in premiums collected yearly and over 140,000 life and general agents. Insurance, unfortunately, is still sold and not bought. But today, we are seeing technology playing a big role in this ever-changing landscape. And with technology, we believe in giving back the power to the consumers to decide which insurance policies they should get and how much protection they should obtain. Over the past 5 years, we have seen the online space heating up for the insurance sector. And COVID-19 definitely has expedited its adoption. We see convergence of the ecosystem for the insurance sector, with many players now looking to offer and enable insurance offerings in their stable. We ourselves have partnered with AirAsia, MyTukar, and Foodpanda, to name a few. And it is timely, at the height of COVID-19, about 3 months back, that we decided to commence our partnership with DreamShop. We have had many e-commerce partners that came to us, but we believe DreamShop has what it takes to drive affordability to their customers by enabling up to 36 months of installment for customers to buy insurance policies. And today we are starting with car insurance, which is mandatory in Malaysia. As we recover from the COVID-19 pandemic, the installment plans will definitely help cash-strapped Malaysians by easing their financial burden. And with over 8 billion in motor premiums collected yearly in Malaysia alone, we see big potential in this partnership with DreamShop as we empower their customers with the right insurance protection. Thank you.
Thank you so much, Mr. Lee, for a wonderful speech. Our e-commerce platform, DreamShop.com.my, is an exclusive partner of PolicyStreet that operates with its motto, Dreams Become Reality. Both companies are like-minded in their commitment to provide customers with a seamless online purchase experience. Now, I just want to reset the room real quick. For those of you who just joined in, there will be a lucky draw session after the official launch, and prizes are worth up to 5,000 ringgit. So it's important that all members of media register yourself using the link we have provided in the chat, because we will be picking the lucky draw winners based on the online registration. Now, ladies and gentlemen, let's welcome Rosalie Lin, CEO of DCR Marketing, the parent company of DreamShop.com.my, to share with us the excitement of this partnership. Over to you, Rosalie.
Thank you, Winfei. Good morning to all my partners, especially to the team of PolicyStreet, Yanming. Definitely good morning to my dream team, Revenue Harvest team, I believe. Esteemed members of the media, ladies and gentlemen, good morning and welcome to the virtual launch of DreamShop and PolicyStreet Car Insurance Made Easy. Thank you for joining us online today. I'm truly excited to be here with the amazing team of PolicyStreet to celebrate the launch of our first in-the-market collaboration. At DreamShop, we currently carry over 1 billion of products in 23 different categories, with the two-wheeler category recently added to our partnership with Vespa just last month. Today's launch marks the expansion of our offerings into services, especially for car insurance, which is a necessity for all car owners. DreamShop and PolicyStreet Car Insurance Made Easy is the first in the market collaboration offering 0% interest-free installment payment plan car insurance with 10 insurers across 10 major banks in Malaysia. This is a great news because buying car insurance now is not only completely hassle-free and convenient, but now car owners get to enjoy 0% interest-free installment plan up to 36 months. The 10 banks that are offering 0% interest-free installment plan at DreamShop, we have the Maybank, United Overseas, UOB Bank, CIMB, HSBC, Hong Leong, Public, RHB Bank, M-Bank, Standard Chartered, OCBC, and we will add on more by the first quarter of next year. This timely collaboration with PolicyStreet is like-minded and forward-looking insurance tech startup, echoes with the strategy of Malaysian government in the recent budget of 2022 announcement, which includes continued efforts to further Malaysia's digital economy, such as encouraging e-wallet as a method of payment and also e-commerce as a platform for micro, small and medium enterprises to embrace digitalization. We are pleased to note that the Go e-commerce onboarding and Shop Malaysia online campaign, which has benefited more than 500,000 local entrepreneurs, which will continue next year with the allocation of 250 million in budget in 2022. At DreamShop, our vision is to make dreams a reality. Is also achieved through strategic and timely collaboration efforts such as this, which is truly aligned to the government strategies as well. Though through the efforts from our sister company, the Artisan Haven, we also constantly seek to help local entrepreneurs and artisans to digitize their business, which is another area of focus in the budget 2022. Ladies and gentlemen, today would not have been possible without the support of many. Therefore, I want to record my utmost appreciation to PolicyStreet, our business partner, members of the media, valued guests, and the support and the presence today. To stay on to the end of today's virtual event, lucky draw session coming up. Please enjoy the rest of the event and do log on to DreamShop for your shopping and gifting needs. Thank you.
Wow, make dreams a reality. That's so amazing. Now, Malaysians can purchase their car insurance with 0% interest-free installment payment plans at dreamshop.com.my. This will be the first in-market interest-free car insurance with multiple insurers across 10 banks. Now with that, we are delighted to present to you a short video to introduce PolicyStreet. Do sit back and enjoy the video. Wow, it is truly exciting to discover more about PolicyStreet and how the company empowers people with sufficient insurance coverage in a simple, easy, and affordable way. Now, I'm sure you are also wondering how the purchasing process is like at DreamShop. Together, let's have a look at the video demonstration by DreamShop to walk us through the steps of purchasing car insurance on its e-commerce platform. Wow, wonderful. Simple steps to get your road tax and insurance renewed in just a few clicks. Now, ladies and gentlemen, members of the media, we have now come to the Q&A session. Before we begin, allow me to introduce to you our panelists. We have, once again, Rosalie, CEO of DCL Marketing, the parent company of dreamshop.com.my, and Yen Ming Lee, CEO of PolicyStreet.com. We will now like to open the space for Q&A. So members of the media, you could send in your questions using the chat room and I could ask the questions on your behalf. Or you can also directly turn on your microphone. Now allow me to start the ball rolling by asking the first question to DreamShop. So DreamShop, what is so special about the 0% installment payment plan? Is it only available for PolicyStreet Insurance?
We believe in we're first in the market where Malaysian can purchase the car insurance for multiple insurance at 0% interest up to 36 months across 10 local banks. Then the participating bank, as I mentioned earlier on, are all the major banks. Besides PolicyStreet, the 0% installment plan is also available for other selected products under DreamShop, such as the luxury bags, Vespa, and also many others. And to answer your question again, yes, we believe we are the first in the market. for this for the collaboration. Yeah.
Cool. Thanks. Thanks for the answer. Now I do have one more for PolicyStreet. So PolicyStreet, how did the collaboration start between you and DreamShop, and why DreamShop specifically?
Yeah, I think for us, it makes a lot of sense when you have already got a leading e-commerce platform. And for us, it's really about making sure that we find the right e-commerce platform that's a leading brand already in Malaysia, and together with the banks that DreamShop works with, it makes a lot more sense to actually bring affordability to Malaysians. I don't think there are any technology partners or even digital players out there that's actually offering up to 36 months, like what Rosalie was saying. And this is the first in Malaysia, especially with COVID now, and people are struggling to make ends meet, and I think they're going back to work now. This will give them a respite in paying for their car insurance policies. And you know very well, in Malaysia, if you don't have a car insurance, you can't buy a road tax, you can't drive the car. So we don't want that to happen to Malaysians. So that's just the intent for us, and it really makes a lot more sense together with DreamShop.
Yeah, thank you so much. It really does make a lot of sense. Now, do we have questions from the floor? Just a reminder, you can use the chat to share your question, or you could just raise your hand, then we will invite you to the stage to voice out your question. Okay. Do we have some?
Hi, I have one question.
Hi.
I'm Izwan Ramlan from Getaran, a news portal for under Petra News. Actually, I was just wondering what I want to ask. I have seen the tutorial. It's quite easy. Honestly, to tell you, it's quite easy to use what this kind of insurance in this platform. But actually, what is your plan to make people changing to use this platform to having their business transaction or business in this insurance? What is your plan for making, as you know lah, people before this, they among they always paying by usually they do, but how you plan on your strategy to switch people to use this platform?
Maybe I'll take that question. Thanks so much, Izwan. I think you look at it, right, today Malaysians, right, like how we normally know lah. If you have been paying 600 ringgit for your car insurance, next year you budget again 600 ringgit for your car insurance. If you can save some money, you'll be very happy. If I say, you know what, Izwan, today you can take 50 ringgit back into your pocket, I think that would be the best for you to say, okay, I'll jump in and I'll save 50 ringgit in my pocket. So for us with DreamShop, is really about making sure that you can pay in installment plans. I think, a lot of times Malaysians, they don't understand. They think that, okay, 600 ringgit this month, I have to pay 600 ringgit, I will just fork out my 600 ringgit. What if I can split your 600, 0% over 36 months? That will give you back affordability to what you need to pay on a monthly basis. So what we're doing is we're giving back the money to your hands so that you can use that money to pay for other things that will be, more meaningful for you. And I know very well Malaysians today, they've got issues on having enough money on a monthly basis. So this partnership will change the entire ballgame. Because I know, if you look at it in the market now, there are a lot of people talking about buy now, pay later. But buy now, pay later, you only have up to 4 months of 0% installment. We're talking about 36 months. I don't think Malaysians are educated enough to know that actually you can have 0% installment over up to 36 months. And that will give you more affordability in terms of you buying a car insurance, which is mandatory already in Malaysia. I hope that answers your question.
Okay.
If I may add, Izwan,
Yes.
if you look at the recent survey, I think Malaysian is known as the e-commerce king, whereby almost, I think, 80% of our household actually purchase item online. So it is anticipated by end of year 2012. Out of 10 people, 9 people will go online to make a purchase. So I like to think that insurance will be just like any other products. You will intend to go online to make a purchase convenient. And the best part about our platform is that we give you a comparison. I know people like to do comparison nowadays. So you can actually key in your details and you get 10 quotations to do comparison, and then pick a choice of your insurance company that you like. And that's what Yan Ming has put it. Now I make it affordable for you, or maybe even help you to do budgeting, so that you can actually know that, oh, I can pay this for 12 months, 24 months, or 36 months. So then you have a little bit of, also ease the pocket a little bit, as what Yan Ming has also mentioned. We've been through a pandemic 2 years in a row already. So some people a little bit pre-stretched. So we hope that this particular facility will be able to assist all these people and help them a little bit in their budget planning as well. I hope that answers your question.
All right, thank you.
Okay, we do have one question for Mr. Lee. Any idea why car insurance premiums are so high when accidents and thefts have been at a record low during pandemic? This from Predip.
Sure. Thanks, Pradeep, for that question. I think if you look at it generally, the insurance premium has been at the same, I would say at the same rate for the past couple of years. Of course, if you look at insurance companies today, how they price their premiums is based on the claim ratio. And before COVID, we have seen the motor industry having very high claim ratio to the tune of more than 100% of the premiums collected. And hence why, insurers have always maintained that kind of premium levels. But of course, with COVID now, without people driving, driving less, but we're still coming back now. Now people are going back to work. The claim ratio has dropped, and I think you can see it as well under PIAM, which is Persatuan Insurance Arm Malaysia, which has given statistics in terms of what the claim ratio is. What we're seeing is that premium level, I don't think will go down. But I think what will happen is, like what Bank Negara has done, is to de-tariff the entire rate. So you do see plus minus 10% from insurers as we promote good behavior, good driving. So for those good drivers, you would see a reduction in your premiums. But it will not be for drivers who are reckless in nature. So that's what you would see. And we're already seeing several players, several insurance companies, providing what we call as mileage-based insurance for car. They're providing, telematics to make sure that your car is, that you're a good driver and that they can reward you for that. So that's what we're seeing. But I don't think if you're asking me why the premiums are high, it's generally because the claim ratios are very high, and that itself, will have to, explain to you why the premiums have to be at such prices. Yeah.
Okay, I hope that answers your questions. Do we have any more from the floor? Just a reminder, you may raise your hand so we can bring you on stage, or you can just unmute and talk right away. Okay, we actually have time for perhaps one final question if you'd like to ask it now.
I'm surprised the media didn't ask anything about innovation or anything innovative in terms of insurance. I know obviously we talk about car insurance here, but no talks about innovation in insurance.
Okay, I just received one from Karina Imran. It says some of the bank giving installment period up to 36 months, while car insurance and road tax need to be renewed every year. Does customer can renew their road tax insurance if it's not yet I guess not yet time? I couldn't read the full message. Sorry. Did you get the question?
I think basically
not yet settled.
Not yet settled. Yeah.
Not yet settled.
Maybe Rosalie, you want to answer that?
I didn't get the question. So
no, what they're saying is if I take a 36 months installment plan and my car insurance to be renewed every year, can I still buy another insurance policy when my policy needs to be renewed the year
Expired.
after?
Oh, definitely. So as long your credit card, the limit is actually sufficient, you can actually purchase that for the next following year and also do a 36-month installment, no problem. But this one, the 0% only covers for your insurance, for that one period, 1 year only.
Yeah.
I hope that answers your question.
You can actually have a rolling kind of installment.
Okay. Whoa, now suddenly a lot of questions coming in. Now, we do have one more from Pradeep. He says, can you tell us more about telematics? I think
Sure.
this question is direct to Miss Lee.
Sure. I think a lot of times you see today, insurers today, they want to promote, like I mentioned earlier on, they want to promote good driving behavior. So telematics today, there are a couple of areas. I mean, there are those which are invasive. There are a couple of insurers today that do installation of telematics into your car. So it's a device that's actually installed in your car, and it will measure in terms of how you drive your car. That means, for example, do you speed? Do you go, very, very high speed? Do you not go very high speed? And today, with the advent of technology, like Google Maps and all, you would know, what kind of speed limits you're going at what roads you're going at, and so forth. So that's the kind of technology that we are that insurers and ourselves are putting in place to make sure that we can actually do what we call as usage-based insurance or mileage-based insurance or even behavior-based insurance. And that is something that's already being done in a lot of developed countries. And we're seeing that coming over to emerging countries like Malaysia, where we want to reward consumers, we want to reward customers, but we cannot be rewarding everyone. Today, if you look at insurance, it's a blanket kind of approach where everyone pays the same price. If you've got a Proton Saga, everyone pays the same price for Proton Saga, 1997 Proton Saga, for example. What they want to do is to say, oh, maybe Rosalie's car and my car is different because the way Rosalie drives is different than the way I drive. So it's more on that kind of approach, and that's what we're alluding to, and I think insurers today are quite open towards adopting technology to reduce the premiums for selected customers who are good in behavior. Hope that answers the question. Yeah.
Thank you for the question. That's a very interesting insight. Okay, I believe, do we have any more? Just final call. I believe that's all we have. All right. And that wraps up our Q&A session this morning. Once again, thank you so much for taking time off to share this momentous occasion with us. Now, as Rosalie has shared before, we live up to our motto of dreams become reality. And it is now time for our lucky draw. We have 5,000 ringgit worth of prizes up for grabs. So are you guys excited? Right? I want some interaction this time. All right. Type in the chat. Are you excited? Just type 1 to show your excitement to me. All of you, if you are looking forward to win these prizes up to 5,000 ringgit, type lots of 1s in the chat. I would like to see some movement there. Yeah. If you're not interested, then I believe it's no point us sharing this. Come on, we need more 1s in the chat. Yeah. Right. Now I see something. Okay, just in case, make sure that your chat is not directed to a person. It says to everyone so that everybody can see your excitement. Yeah. Great. I'm seeing lots of 1s. I think we can proceed. Yeah. Awesome. I'm gonna share. Okay. Lucky draw moment. I'm gonna reveal the first prize of the day. Are you guys ready? Yeah. 3, 2, 1. Here we go. We have our first prize of the day. It's Nescafe automatic coffee machine that is worth 549 ringgit. Now let's see who will be our lucky winner to be bringing this sleek looking coffee machine back with them. Okay. How we are gonna do it, I'm gonna show it right away. We're gonna using this wheel. Okay, these numbers you're looking on screen is actually based on the registration that we asked earlier. Okay, it's going to be random selection using this wheel, and just for everybody's, I'm gonna immediately shuffle the numbers just so you know this is not rigged. Okay, this is live. We have about 13 registered forms submitted, so it's just 13 numbers here. Now I shuffle. Maybe I shuffle one more, right, for you guys. Now I'm gonna spin. Are you guys ready? I want to see this time some movement in the chat. Okay. Cool. I'm gonna start spinning. Music. Our lucky winner is number 3. Yes, congratulations. Number 3 is Karina Imran from Bernama. Congratulations, you have just won the Nescafe automatic coffee machine. Now the PR team will be in contact with all the winners for coordination of the prizes after the event. Now we're gonna move on to the next prize, but before I do that, again, I want to see this time everybody type number 2 if you want the second prize to be yours, right? All hope is not lost. There's still more prize. If you want the next prize to be yours, I want to see lots of 2 in the chat. Come on, type lots of 2. Show me your excitement. Yeah. Okay. I think we have some people who are looking forward to that. Now I'm gonna go to the wheel this time. Before I do that, let me just do a quick. I need to.
The second prize is
winner.
also the same item. Same item.
It's not the same item. Let me. Before I go to the wheel, I need to review, right? So the second prize is actually. Give me a moment. Drum roll. Okay, it's a Mistral Tower fan, which is worth 369 ringgit. Okay, now I already seen your excitement in the chat. I'm gonna move to the wheel right now and start spinning in 3, 2, 1. Our lucky winner is number 9. Our winner number 9 is Pridip, who has contributed to a lot of questions from FMT. Thank you so much and congratulations once again. You have just won away the Mistral Tower fan. Hope that you always stay cool using this fan, right? Now we're gonna review the third prize. This time the drill is the same. You're gonna type 3 if you want the third prize. In fact, just so you know, the third prize, in fact, in my opinion, is the best prize of all. So you really, really want this for yourself, all right? Just type loss of 3, maybe more than 2 and 1. Type loss of 3 this time because this prize is really a big one. I'm gonna review in 3, 2, 1. Ta-da! This is the most luxurious gift we have with us today. It's this lovely Gucci handbag that is worth 3,000 ringgit. For the guys, grab this special gift for your wife, your girlfriend, your sister, or even your mom. I guarantee they will love it. For the ladies, I think I do not have to say much. So without further ado, I will show you the wheel. Okay. Are you guys ready? You better continue to type lots of 3 so that the God of luck will be in your favor. Okay, I'm gonna spin in 3, 2, 1. We have number 12. Congratulations. Number 12 is Yap Kam Fu from foodthrottle.com. It's a motoring website. Congratulations, Yap Kam Fu. I think that is all the main prizes we have for today, but all hope is not lost because those who have not yet received any gifts, DreamShop.com.my is all about making your dreams come true. Hence, we will never leave you empty-handed. And besides the 3 winners earlier, all members of the media will be getting a 100 ringgit e-voucher from a newly launched mobile app called Food Advisor. Food Advisor provides users with a wide array of the best deals and vouchers for various dine-in restaurants. So just to remind, our PR team, Tasneem and Jessica, will be in contact with you for the coordination of all the prizes. Now, ladies and gentlemen, I hope you guys had lots of fun, and congratulations once again to all the winners. And so this brings us to the end of today's virtual event. I thank you all once again for spending your time with us. We shall be seeing you again at our next event. Thank you so much.
Thank you, everybody. Thank you.
Thank you.